we're excited. We're excited to be at CES. We're excited to be here, to be able to show our innovations and our new technologies. We have a whole range of products. We have solar generators, power stations that a lot of people can use to generate their own electricity, to be able to store their energy at home for different type of situations, be it for professional use or for home backup, for disasters. We have solar generators for every type of situation.
The whole exciting part about being here at CES is to see all the new stuff. We have 3 brand new products that we launched here at CES that has been bringing everybody over to our booth, so I want you to come and check them out with me right now. This is what everybody comes to CES for, to see something fancy, something shiny, something new. Well, this is the world's first ever lawn sweeping mower from EcoFlow that you never have to worry about cutting your grass again, which means never having to worry about sweating again. We also have a way to prevent you from sweating. We just launched our brand new portable AC unit that not only is cooling, but also heating. We're gonna check it out right now. Finally, a way to stay cool wherever you are, on a workshop, a campground, or completely off-grid. Battery operated and solar operated with our Wave 2, you're gonna be able to stay cool for up to 8 hours. Not only that, you can stay warm as well. But if you're feeling warm and you want to have some cool drinks, what are you going to do? We just launched our Glacier, which is our portable refrigerator. That is not only a refrigerator, it's a freezer and can make ice cubes in 12 minutes and stay cool for 24 hours. So this is just a taste of where we are as a brand. We are able to launch it here at CES in 2023. Make sure you stay tuned for what we got coming up next.
The real advantage here at CES is that we can meet our customers and partners face to face, because in our principles we do believe that making friends is always more important than making business. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us this year. We really appreciate our partners and clients.